Hello, my name is Sheila Davila, founder and owner of Tekton LLC. Tekton was born from a passion for woodworking that I inherited from my maternal grandfather. We officially began operation this year, starting with a small laser engraving machine creating personalized wood products such as cutting boards, signs, and custom engraving pieces. Today, all of our products are sold through our online store, tektonswoodworking.com, where we continue building a brand focused on creativity, craftsmanship, and innovation. In addition to selling our products, we also create content on our YouTube channel at Tekton Woodworking, where we publish reviews of power tools, woodworking tools, and showcase the wood products we create and sell. Our vision is to expand Tekton into a larger creativity manufacturing business specializing in custom business signage, 3D carved artwork, personalized gifts, and products for weddings and special events. To achieve this growth, we are seeking support to invest in advanced equipment such as a professional laser machine, CNC router, table router, and finishing tools that will allow us to increase production capacity, improve quality, and create more complex designs. With the right support, Tekton has the potential to grow not only as a woodworking business, but as a modern brand that combines craftsmanship, technology, e-commerce, and digital content to serve customers locally and across the United States. Thank you for considering our vision and for supporting small business and entrepreneurs like Tekton.
Tekton Woodworking. Crafted with precision, designed with passion.